Hey guys, I am at Walmart, one of my go-to spots, in my favorite aisle, the clearance aisle of course. I'm going to be looking for some stuff today. I've already kind of pre-scanned over, but I wanted to just kind of show you guys a few things. So if you're just starting out, remember one of the big categories that's going to be tempting is toys. And for new sellers you are gated. So when you walk to the clearance aisle and you see all these toys, don't even bother with it, just keep on walking until you get to a section that you can sell. Alright, so we're going to come over here. There is some yarn. Actually sold a little bit of yarn in the past. So I'm going to, let's see, scan this one. Alright, now this is one of the tools that I use. You don't need it right away. I'm just using it because I'm actually shopping for myself and not just recording a video. Alright, so we can see here it is listed for $8. Net is 3 something, and it costs $3.50. So even though this could be a good buy, it is not because it is too expensive. Alright, we're going to look up here. There are some vacuum cleaning bags and a lead testing kit. Let's scan this. Alright. So, First Alert Premium, double check that that's the same one. It is. Okay. So, I'm going to go into that. I see it's ranked 46,000 in home improvement. That's decent. Not fantastic, not terrible. The low FBA price is $9.27. Just disregard all this. Again, sorry guys, this is a tool that I use. You see all the same information in your Amazon seller app. This just shows it in a slightly different way. So $9.27 is the base price over here. And these are selling for $2. So if we look at this, we'll list it at that, and our cost was $0. We would net $5, but we take $2 off of that, so we will make about $3.50 for every one of these that we sell, and it's ranked pretty decently. So I am going to pick up 3, 4. I'm going to pick up all of these. Now I have actually sold these exact same things in the past. They didn't move as quickly as I liked, but at $2, that's hard to pass up. I'm okay with buying 10 of them for $2 and then selling over the course of a few months. Because if you get 100 different products like that, you'll have a steady stream of income coming through. So yeah, that's basically how you scan stuff. This is at Walmart. Everybody can do this. I don't even think this is a gated brand or category or anything. So if you see these, feel free to check the price, and if they're real cheap, probably you can snag a few of those.